Hey everybody, good morning, Robb. Guys, today I want to talk about the 4 top items I think you can get at Sam's Club. I was never a member of Sam's Club until last week, and I should say last month, and I wanted to get some dried blueberries. Every place I tried to get them, they were very expensive. The price had gone up my normal places, so I looked online. The cheapest place I found was Sam's Club and decided to get some other things while I was there, so let's go over them. The first was a case of chicken, 6 cans, and it's all chicken and water and a little salt. There's no other Frankenstein ingredients, and I think it's 12 and a half ounces per can, and it was $12, $11.92. So basically $2 a can. The second ingredient, the blueberries, they're like up to like 50 or 60 bucks on Amazon or Walmart. They were $33 at Sam's Club. I go through several boxes each year. I make a little shake every evening with dried blueberries, soak them for 24 hours. One of the most healthy things you can eat. The third thing was another healthy thing. I got a case of the little mushrooms. It was like $11.42, so less than $1 a can. They're like $1.30 something at the other stores. So this is a bargain. The fourth thing was these walnuts. It was 3 pounds. I think out of everything you can get at Sam's Club, obviously it didn't come with as a container, but they're all large pieces, not little tiny pieces, and they're fresh tasting. And one of the healthy things you can eat are walnuts. You get 3 pounds for $8.78. I think probably the best food bargain in the entire store at Sam's Club. So those are, to me, the 4 top healthy, inexpensive food items you can get at Sam's Club that are cheaper than any other place I could find. Not Aldi's, not Publix, not Walmart, not any other place I could find was not less than Sam's Club. All right, hope this helps. Take care. See you out there.